guys, we got a couple boxes in for the Honda. This is just the start of it. We got like 15 coming. So I'm gonna record this video real quick while we're letting paint dry. Get this first one open. I already know what it is. Package, another package. Who would have thought it? For the right shirt for the occasion also, same. So this is our oil return line fitting for our turbo. So that's pretty exciting. If you guys don't know what the turbo is, follow me on Instagram, put the link right here. So next, the big heavy boy. My beard's looking real intelligent here. Oh, there goes some hardware. This guy is our rear frame support. I don't know if you guys, the camera probably won't focus. This has like a really nice brush finish on it. We went with that nice black. That looks super good. Another part of the brakes. That nice brush finish. That looks so good. Doubt the camera will pick it up because these G9Xs are super bad at focusing. It's like their main fail. See, I used this yet. Alright guys, we're back. Just had to grab our package. Unfortunately, it wasn't for us. So these are the rear control arms. I'll cover those so you guys can see them better. Yeah, those are super good. That same brush finish, they look really nice. Bushings look like good quality. Not bad for some eBay parts, you know. So in here, so the BMS adjustable cam here, that looks super good. That same black painted finish, that looks super good. If you guys watched the video yesterday, or whenever it came out, the video before this, you'll see what color we painted the engine bay. So that'll be cool, and then you guys will understand why the black is going so good with the color. But yeah, I got a little sticky. Sweet. This big box, not anything crazy, and I thought I could pour the Civic. But this is a big old front splitter for my WRX. You guys will see in a later video. Not anything super cool, but it's part for the winter. Yeah, that's just a big old front splitter, but still fun. Yeah, cool guys. So that's the first part. There's like 15 more packages going for this thing, so just be here soon. But yeah, let me know what you think of this. Just a little side thing. I figured I'd make it real quick, but thank you guys for watching.